Hello, today we're going to be going over how to add a MailChimp subscribe form to your WordPress sidebar. This is another tutorial provided by Compete Now. WordPress and e-marketing tutorials that give you the keys to web presence, point you fast and success. Plenty more on our website at startcompeting.com/tutorials. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can sign up on our website for a weekly update about tutorials being added. All right. So with that, we'll get started. If you were wondering, if you don't even use MailChimp, MailChimp is an email marketing software program online that is very similar to stuff like Constant Contact and a couple of those other email marketing programs, except it's free for up to 2,000 subscribers, and which is a great option. A lot of small businesses don't even have that many subscribers, and it's still competitively priced after that number of subscribers. So I do highly recommend it. I've used Constant Contact, and I can say that if anything, I think MailChimp's a little bit better of a program. I don't think you sacrifice in terms of usability when it comes to choosing MailChimp. So once you do have a MailChimp account, you're going to want to add a subscribe form to your sidebar so you can start building your list. In addition to other ways of building it, but definitely that's essential on your website. You want to have the subscribe form in your sidebar. So let's get right into it. There's two ways of doing it. First, I'm going to show you how to do it with a plugin. The reason why I say two ways is sometimes the plugin with some themes doesn't really look right once you put it in the sidebar. It's like kind of not styled right and it doesn't look right. Other times it looks perfect. It's very quick to do it with the plugin. So we're going to show you. I'll show you how to do it with the plugin, and then I'll show if it doesn't look good with the plugin. I'll show you how I do it. If I just can't get it working that way. So you're going to search Mailchimp list subscribe form. I'll also put a link down below in the description that has a direct link to that plugin, so you can just download it and upload it yourself if that's the way you prefer to do it. All right, so it's this first one here. Hit install, activate. Okay, so once that's installed and activated, you're going to go to the left and go to settings, and in the settings you'll see MailChimp setup. Okay, so I'm going to log out and I'm going to show you how to do this. So once you hit MailChimp setup, you're going to land on the screen that says login info and you need your API key. Just click on the link that says get your API key, and what I'm going to do is, because I had previously been logged in, so this is just picking that up. I want to show you from the start to finish. So get your API key, and you're going to need your MailChimp account login. So if you haven't made one yet, create an account yet, you're going to need to. All right. So now it's giving me my API key here. You're just going to copy that right there. Copy. Go to the top left. Paste it in here. Save and check. All right. And then you're going to want to pick your list that this is going to sign up for. Like I have, blog list, Compete Now list. I'm going to select my WordPress tutorials list, and so anybody that signs up for that list will just get alerts about new tutorials being added. I'm going to update the list. All right. Monkey rewards. You can turn that on if you want to have a Powered by MailChimp thing in your sidebar. I preferably don't want to do that, but I'd rather just spread the word by mouth. But if you want to have that in there, you can. I usually disable it though. All right, so JavaScript, leave that. Fancy, leave that. All right, so this is what's going to be the title above. You want to have something relevant in here that not just sign up for our list. You want them to know what they're going to get by signing up for your list. So I'll say sign up our WordPress tutorials list for an alert about new videos. All right. So depending on your theme, this might be way too long. It might be okay. You can try it, and then if you need to shorten it, you can. Subheader, that just goes below the title. I usually don't use that. I just prefer to do the title. Submit button text. You can do subscribe. You can change it to register. You can change it to submit. Whatever you think looks best. Right here are a whole bunch of styling options. You can change the background color, you can change the text color, border width. You can make it so that there's no border if you wanted to. So you can do that all that on your own. You know, you can change that to however you want. We won't spend. I'm not going to waste anybody's time just messing around with that. Let's keep going down. Both of these will be checked on yours. I usually don't ask for the last name. I don't really think you need it in most cases, so I just said no. I just want the first name and the email address. I'm going to hit update subscribe form settings. Now that we've updated all the settings and picked our list, we're going to go to appearance and hit widgets. All right. And now you'll notice in available widgets, there's MailChimp widget. We're going to drag it right in. All right. There's no options because we already configured those. And I'm going to open this in a new tab so we can see how it looks. Alright, so that looks acceptable. You get your title, you get your email address and first name and subscribe. So I'm just going to do that real quick. So email address is Donato, Andrea. Okay, Donato, and hit subscribe. Alright, it says success. You've been signed up. Please look for our confirmation email. And it's as easy as that. Now, if you did install this just now and you tried it out and it doesn't look very good on your site with the way the theme is, you can either keep working with it until it does work, or you can just simply embed it into the sidebar. I'll show you how to do that right now. So you're going to need to go into your MailChimp account. All right, when you're in the dashboard, you go to lists, click on list, pick the list that you want to be in the sidebar. So I'm going to go to forms. Okay, I'm going to hit for your website, and then I'm going to click on sign up form embed code. Alright, you'll see this the super slim simple form here. That's the one we're going to use. One thing I want to do is I'm going to put in my own title, so I don't want this to be showing when I embed it. So I'm going to go to options on the left here, options. I'm going to take out the title. You can even update the title if you wanted to, but I'm just going to get that out of there. You can set the form width. Um, you know, you can leave it blank. That's what I'm going to do because I'd rather it just automatically form to the width of the sidebar. Copy the code. Go back to your widgets. Alright, so alright, that didn't work. Get it out. And then get a text widget down here. Drag it into your sidebar. Paste the code in. I'm gonna hit, and then in the title, I'm gonna say sign up for a weekly alert about new tutorials. Alright, let's see how that looks. Alright, and that's it. It's in the sidebar. Sign up for weekly alert about tutorials. Works just fine. Subscribe. Open up into a new window and it'll say almost finished. Just hit the confirmation and you'll be good to go. So then it'll make you let you return to the website. Oh, well, return to my other website because that's the one the account's with. So it's as simple as that. Good luck. I do hope that you add a subscribe form to your website, and I hope you use Mailchimp because it's a great program. All right. So until next week.